Welcome to Algebra Basics. In this video, we are going to master one of the most useful patterns in algebra, the special product of sum and difference. Here is the formula we will be exploring. When you multiply the sum of two terms, a plus b, by their difference, a minus b, the result is always the first term squared minus the second term squared. This is often called the difference of squares. Let's look at why this works using geometry. Imagine a large square with side length, giving it an area of a squared. If we cut out a smaller square with side length, b, from the corner, the area removed is b squared. The remaining area represents a squared minus b squared. Now let's prove it with algebra, using the FOIL method. We multiply the first terms to get a squared. Then the outer terms give minus a b, the inner terms give plus a b. Finally, the last terms give minus b squared. Notice that minus a b and plus a b cancel each other out perfectly, leaving us with just a squared minus b squared. Let's test this with real numbers. Let a equal 10 and b equal 4. If we calculate the long way, 14 times 6 is 84. If we use our formula, 10 squared is 100 and 4 squared is 16. 100 minus 16 is also 84. It works perfectly. Now let's apply this to a simple algebraic expression. We want to simplify x plus 5 multiplied by x minus 5. First, identify that O is x and b is 5. Using our formula, we square the x to get x squared and square the 5 to get 25. The answer is x squared minus 25. Be careful not to confuse this pattern with squaring a binomial. X plus 3 squared is not x squared plus 9, it has a middle term. Our special product formula works only when one bracket has a plus and the other has a minus. That sign difference is what causes the middle terms to vanish. Things get a little more interesting with coefficients. Consider 2x plus 3y times 2x minus 3y here. Our first term, a, is 2x. And our second term, b, is 3y. We must square the entire term. 2x squared becomes 4x squared, and 3y squared becomes 9y squared. The final result is 4x squared minus 9y squared. This formula is a two-way street. If you see an expression like x squared minus 16, you can recognize it as a difference of two squares. Since 16 is 4 squared, we can factor this back into brackets. X plus 4 multiplied by x minus 4. This skill is crucial for solving more advanced equations. You can even use this for mental math. Suppose you need to multiply 103 by 97. Notice that 103 is 100 plus 3, and 97 is 100 minus 3. Apply the formula. 100 squared is 10,000, and 3 squared is 9. 10,000 minus 9 gives you 9,991. No calculator needed. To recap, the product of a sum and a difference is always the difference of their squares. Remember that the terms must be identical except for the sign, and the middle terms will always cancel out. Mastering this pattern will speed up your algebra significantly.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.